Dada. Where are we going now?
We will go to the headquarters of Gurukul, to the Gurukul campus.
আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল
Which side we will go?
We will go towards the south. And this is, we are now sitting in the central Anand Nagar. It's called Madhya Anand Nagar. You know, Anand Nagar is composed of 12 subsections. They are like mini Anandanagars. Like they have been given names like Kaushiki Anandanagar, Bhairavi Anandanagar, Bhavani Anandanagar, Tarun Anandanagar, Arun Anandanagar, Maloy Anandanagar, Shyamal Anandanagar, Shakat Anandanagar, Gopal Mohan Anandanagar and Gopal Anandanagar. So that towards the south, only about 10-15 minutes walk from here, is the Gopalananda Nagar. And that is the site of the university headquarter campus, where we will be building the rural medical college, and also the administrative headquarters will be here, and many different departments.
প্রতিটি কুড়ি ফুল ভরে দেব গুরুকুল আমরা ভরে দেব গুরুকুল জ্ঞানের আলোকে রাঙিয়ে দেব প্রতিটি কুড়ি ফুল ভরে দেব গুরুকুল আমরা ভরে দেব গুরুকুল আমরা ভরে দেব গুরুকুল
In 1964, the first education institution was started, AMIT, Ananda Marga Institute of Technology, which is, if you see those buildings there, that road is called AMIT Road, AMIT Sarani. Sarani means road. So if you go there straight, and at the end, there now a new complex has come up called the Baba's Memorial Complex, and a new dam has been built. So that was the first site of the AMIT. And then 2 years later, in 1966, the degree college was established. And during that period also the primary schools and the high school was also started. Post-primary school, high school, then degree college. And that was just the beginning. And since then there are more than 50 schools in this entire area. And another high school has come up in the western side, in Jharkhand. It's called in Karachatar. That has about 700 students also. So all the children which you see here, they all have been educated in our schools. So they are very sympathetic. And I was very surprised just the other day. I met a young boy who has a BSc in agriculture, and he's going to do his MSc and PhD from one of the villages here, Guridi village. And he was a product of our high school here. I think that our educational program, which gives emphasis on ecology, has already entered into the veins of the children who are growing up in this area. Actually, most of the planning for Anandanagar, Baba waited until 1988 and 89. In those 2 years, he used to spend almost 22 hours per day on giving the detailed landscaping and the planning of Anandanagar. And it is compiled in the 16 registers which were written by Asim Anandji's in handwriting, and I have been able to decipher some of that information, and I discovered that this is a gold mine of wealth of information of how to build a rural township which is agricultural based and which contains the potentialities of nature are being tapped through that planning. So, and that would be the work of our headquarter campus, because Baba, he gave 213 agriculture research centers, which will be directly supervised by the Anand Marga Agricultural College and the Anand Marga headquarters here in Chakradhuri. We call it Chakradhuri, means it is the hub. So there are education institutions like Sanskrit Vidyapeeth, Fine Arts College, Music College, Homeopathic College, Ayurvedic College, Electro-Homeopathic College, Veterinary College, Textile Institute, Teachers Training College. They are spread out in this entire area of 525 square kilometers, which is bigger than the size of Singapore. And the Chakradhuri itself is about 11 acres of land, and there are all types of trees there. There is wood apple, there is neem, there is sagun, which is the forest trees. They have become quite big. They were planted 20 years ago, and now they are quite big. So now we are going to that campus where we will see, what's going on.
কেহ না থাকিবে দূরে বাজাবো প্রতিটি তারে
We are now at the Gurukul Chakradhuri campus, at the gate, at the south-west gate of the campus. And the first task in this project has been to organize the security of this place, because there are very precious trees which have been planted here 20 years ago, and they have now grown up, and it's looks like a forest inside, but they are very precious trees. And then here we need to secure the boundary wall so that the cows and sheep and also, when you start the work, you keep cement and things like this, so you need to provide some security there, and staff quarters. So there is electricity already has been approved, and they just have to come and put the transformer. And then there is a well which has already been we constructed many years ago, and the piping has to be laid for that for the water. So when we have electricity, we have water, we have the security from all sides, we have the staff quarters, then we can begin to finish the construction of the headquarters, which is like a round circular structure, because chakra means wheel. So the whole building is like a wheel, and it will be of two stories, and there will be a Senate hall for the meeting of the university officials. It provides the space for many educational activities to take place. There will be also a small auditorium inside the building, and there will be classrooms. There will also be administrative offices, and of course the office of the Chancellor will be here also. And now they just started a few weeks ago, and it's a big work, because to encircle 10 acres of land with the boundary wall, 8 feet boundary wall, and it costs also, and so that's what we are in the process of organizing. These are our women from our nearby villages. They come every morning and they help. This is Mahesh. He is a volunteer, and he has come here to help with this, taking care of this project. 1998, it was just a barren piece of land. There was not a single tree here. So all the trees which you see here at the forest, they all have been planted by us. Construction had started almost 20 years ago, but it had to be stopped at that time, and now we are going to redo or complete what has been started.
Dada, it's such a huge project, and probably it will cost like huge amount of money. Where are you going to take money from?
Well, we don't take any money from the government. For none of Anandanagar development has been done with government money. It is the grassroots, the people who are devoted, who are interested in the idea, they are contributing. So it's going to be, we have started the fundraising campaign, and we are encouraging everybody to, according to their capacity, let thousands of people contribute small amounts rather than only one or two big sponsors who say, okay, we spend $300,000, $400,000 and you complete the building. No, we want it to be built with the contributions of many people. So we have a registered society. It's called Anandamarga Gurukul, and we are also registered in the United States. We are registered in Sweden. We are registered here in India, and so people can contribute according to their capacity through the channels, and and everything will be transparent, and you know, the director master here, he is supervising the construction with his staff and with his people.
আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, জ্ঞানের আলোকে রাঙিয়ে দেব প্রতিটি কুড়ি ফুল, গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, জ্ঞানের আলোকে রাঙিয়ে দেব প্রতিটি কুড়ি ফুল, গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল, আমরা গড়ে নেব গুরুকুল।